Hey there, welcome back to another video of my series 2-Minute Tips. And today I'm going to be chatting with you about those funny, weird sounds that your bike might make when something's not quite right. So I noticed as I was riding around the city, you hear brakes squealing, kind of a bike making a crunching sound as they pedal by. And so I wanted to make this video to let you know if your bike is making some kind of sound, you probably know something might be wrong, but you definitely want to get it checked out sooner than later. So I'm going to discuss a few of the options of what could be going on depending on the sound you're hearing. One of the common things that goes wrong is your brakes are squealing or squeaking. So this is important to get checked out because it could mean that your brake pads could be completely worn out. They could need to be aligned. There could be some kind of corrosion, some kind of material. Maybe you rode through some kind of weird oil or something on the road. So your brakes are very important. So definitely go get that checked out as soon as your brakes are squeaking. It's not normal that they squeak. Another one I want to talk about would be the sound that a rusty or really old chain will make. So it's a very distinctive sound, and you hear people riding, and it's kind of like a crunching sound. Take a look at your chain. Is it rusty? When was the last time you oiled it? So a really old or rusty chain that hasn't been taken care of can wear down your cassette and your chain rings a lot quicker. So you want to keep your chain oiled, taken care of, clean it. If it was a really muddy week, clean off your chain, use a dirty rag, give it some chain lube, and the longer you keep your chain in check, the longer your cassette and chain rings will also last. Another weird sound you might hear could be coming from your bottom bracket, which is in between your pedals here that holds everything together. That could be a crunching kind of sound as you pedal. That you definitely want to get checked out. If you think it might be your bottom bracket, maybe this whole apparatus feels loose. So go get that checked out because, again, you could be riding. If that malfunctions, boop, you kind of stop all of a sudden. Or could be your bearings in your actual pedals. It's hard to know what exactly is going on, right? It could be a bunch of different things, but these are kind of some of the most common that get brought up, I find. So, rule of thumb, if your bike is making a weird sound, go get it checked out. The sooner you get it checked out and fixed, the safer you will be, and the longer your bike will last in the long run. Okay, thanks for watching. Stay safe out there and happy cycling.